You will have been provided with a link via email which will take you directly through to the learning log area once the names of the learners have been provided to the VLE team. So you'll be provided with the link. Click the link, log into the VLE, and this is how a tutor would add and edit the online learning log. We're going to start with text. Okay, so the link will take you to something that looks like this blank empty template here, the blue one. Okay, the first thing we have to do is to scroll down, and what we're looking for at the bottom of this block here on the left hand side, it's a block called settings, and we need to go to the very bottom option and click on turn editing on. This then allows us to access this area to edit it. However, before editing it, we have to tell the PC that we are going in to edit the page called Adding Text to Online Learning Logs. That's the name of the example page. However, your page would be given the name of the learner, and it would be, in this case, week 1. So, we're going to click on this hand here, which is the edit hand, and by doing that it will allow us to edit the text in the blue box. Once we've pressed on the edit hand, this box of tools appears, and we can see here that this is the actual template where we will put the feedback for the learner. We'll also include photographs, but this video screencast is going to deal with amending text and adding text. The first thing we need to do is make our screen or working area bigger, and to do so we go up to this button here and it says toggle full screen mode. Click it once, and here now we get a big working area which is much less fiddly. Okay, we're going to start by deleting this piece of text. The learner name goes here, and we're going to put in a fictitious name. You'll see that the right hand side moves in a little as we delete the letters. Don't worry. So here we're going to have one called Johnny James. Okay, I've spelt it without an H, I know. Okay, if I wanted to include an H, I would just simply click on the backspace button, just like you would in a word processing editor, and you can delete them and type in the name again. So let's go for Johnny James with an H. Okay, over here I'm going to click and I'm going to put in the name of the tutor. Okay, again a fictitious name. The box jumps around a bit as you type, but just try to sort of ignore that, don't worry about it. And in here, this is the venue name. So I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to put in the Learning Centre name. Okay, then I'm going to add some fictitious feedback here. Okay. Once I've made the changes and worked through my feedback, I then click on the toggle full screen mode again, and this is the important bit. It shrinks the screen down and we must press save changes. When we've clicked that, we are then shown the page, how it will display on the computer screen when we've amended it. And that is showing here the page. Okay, thank you.